So we are given the graph of f of x pictured right here. And we are asked to sketch f inverse. All right, so you're given a function, you want to graph its inverse is what we're doing here. Now, when you're given a visual graph, okay, the first thing that you want to do in order to graph an inverse is find points on this graph. So like take a look at this, find distinct points. Sometimes the points will be given. Sometimes you need to look at the graph and you need to pick out your own points. So when I took a look at this graph here, so the points that I noticed first, well, this one right over here, and that is a negative 1, 2, 3, 4, a negative 4, 0 for that one. I also have two other points right over here. So this looks like a negative 5, negative 1 for this point. And then right above here, that looks to be a negative 3 and a positive 1. So just pick out at least a few points, 2, 3, 4 points. Over here on this side, it looks like this point here is also a 3, 2. All right, so pick out as many points as you can visually distinctly see. Now, what you want to do in order to graph f inverse here, you want to take these points, and if a point is known to be on f of x, if you interchange that point, take xy, switch it to yx, that point will be on its inverse, which means that we can take all 4 points that we found here, invert them. Instead of 3, 2, that's going to be a 2, 3. Instead of negative 3, 1, that would now be a 1, negative 3. We now have a 0, negative 4, and a negative 1, negative 5. Plot these points on this new graph. So I have a 2, 3, a positive 1, negative 3, 0, negative 4, negative 1, negative 5. Connect these dots. So when I connect these dots, that graph is going to look something like this. This is your graph for f inverse.